Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling a nightmare scenario, a cockroach-infested fridge. If you've ever opened your fridge only to be greeted by these unwelcome guests, you know just how unsettling it can be. But fear not, because we're here to help you tackle this problem head-on. Join me as we explore how to deal with a cockroach-infested fridge and restore cleanliness and sanity to your kitchen. Step 1. Assess the situation. The first step in dealing with a cockroach-infested fridge is to assess the extent of the infestation. Carefully inspect the interior of your fridge, paying close attention to corners, crevices, and areas where food crumbs may have accumulated. Look for live cockroaches, egg casings, feces, and any signs of food spoilage or contamination. Step 2. Remove contaminated food. Next, it's time to remove any contaminated food from your fridge. Discard any open containers, spoiled food, or items that show signs of cockroach activity. Be sure to seal these items in a plastic bag before disposing of them to prevent further contamination. Step 3. Clean and disinfect. Once you've removed the contaminated food, it's time to clean and disinfect your fridge thoroughly. Start by emptying the shelves and drawers and washing them with warm, soapy water. Use a mixture of water and white vinegar to disinfect the interior surfaces of your fridge, paying special attention to areas where cockroaches may have been hiding. Step 4. Seal entry points. To prevent future infestations, it's essential to seal any entry points that cockroaches may have used to access your fridge. Inspect the seals around the door and any gaps or cracks in the walls or flooring near your fridge. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal these openings and prevent cockroaches from getting inside. Step 5. Implement preventive measures. Finally, take steps to prevent cockroaches from returning to your fridge in the future. Store food in airtight containers, clean up spills and crumbs promptly, and avoid leaving food out overnight. Consider placing cockroach traps or using natural deterrents like diatomaceous earth to keep these pests at bay. Dealing with a cockroach-infested fridge can be a daunting task. But with the right approach, you can restore cleanliness and peace of mind to your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!